I still remember being bitten as a kid, and the fear my parents felt wasn't just about the injury, it was the medical bills. And the big question, how much is a lawyer going to cost us? If your child was bitten by a neighbor's dog here in Baltimore, and you're scared of the legal fees, you're not alone. I'm Jason Plotkin, CEO and Managing Attorney at the Pinder Plotkin Legal Team here in Maryland. I'm a life member of the $1 Million Advocates Forum and was honored with Clio's first ever Legal Impact Award. I even wrote a book called Crash Course to Recovery and Beyond about rebuilding life after serious crashes. But long before that, I was a kid who got bitten by a dog, and I watched my parents struggle with these same questions. Before we go any further, this video is general legal information, not legal advice for your specific case. Laws and fee agreements can vary, and every case is different. Please talk with an experienced attorney about your exact situation. Today we're answering a big question parents Google after a dog bite. What are average legal fees for dog bite attorneys? Let's break down what that really means in plain English. Most people imagine a big bill coming in the mail, but for dog bite cases, that's usually not how it works. Most personal injury attorneys use something called a contingency fee. That means the attorney's fee is a percentage of the money they recover for you. You don't pay hourly, you don't pay a big retainer, and if there's no recovery, in many cases there's no attorney's fee. In many dog bite cases, the attorney charges a percentage of the recovery, and sometimes a higher percentage if the case has to go into a lawsuit or trial. The higher percentage for litigation generally shows the law firm is prepared to go to trial if needed. This isn't a rule or a guarantee. It's just a general range people may see. The key is that the fee comes out of the money recovered for your child, not out of your pocket every month. Next, there's a difference between the attorney's fee and case costs. The fee is the percentage the lawyer charges for their work. Case costs include medical records, filing fees, experts, investigators, and other expenses. Many firms advance those costs during the case and get reimbursed from the recovery. If there's no recovery, different firms handle that differently. This is why it's so important to ask, in writing, who pays for what and when. Now let's talk about neighbors. Many parents worry they'll damage their relationship if they make a claim. But in many dog bite cases, the claim is made against a homeowner's or renter's insurance policy, not the neighbor personally. That doesn't mean there are zero tough conversations, but it does mean parents often have more options than they realize. And the contingency fee structure makes sense, because the attorney is usually working to recover money from an insurance company, not from you. Why do some fee agreements look different? A few reasons: serious injuries, disputed liability, unreasonable insurance companies, cases that require experts, cases that go to court or trial. Many firms have 1% for cases that settle before a lawsuit and a higher percentage if litigation is required. Here are some questions to ask any dog bite attorney before you hire them. What is your fee percentage if the case settles early? What is your fee percentage if you have to file a lawsuit? Do you advance case costs? If so, how are they paid back? If there's no recovery, will I owe anything? And will you explain all of this to me in writing? A few common mistakes parents make: assuming they can't afford a lawyer, signing insurance forms too quickly, delaying medical documentation, and avoiding help because they don't want conflict with a neighbor. So what should you do next? Get medical care, document everything, and talk with an experienced personal injury attorney who handles dog bite cases. Remember, this is general information, not legal advice. Every case is different. Here in Maryland, my team and I at the Pinder Plotkin Legal Team help families after serious injuries, including dog bites. We offer a free consultation and a no-fee guarantee, which means you don't pay attorney's fees unless there's a recovery. Because I've lived this from both sides, first as an injured child and now as an attorney, I understand how overwhelming this can feel. Our clients become part of the circle of trust because the relationship doesn't end when the case ends. If your child was bitten by a dog in or around Baltimore, and you have questions about fees, medical bills, or dealing with insurance, reach out. Whether you call us or someone else, please make sure you understand how the fee works, who pays the costs, and what happens if there's no recovery. In the next video, I'm going to show you the one thing almost every parent accidentally tells the homeowner's insurance company that can quietly hurt their child's dog bite claim, and it usually slips out in the very first sentence when they start the call by saying,